Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make moimoi stuffed peppers. So let's get right into it. I already peeled the beans using SisiYemmie's method. I really enjoy watching her videos. I'll put a link in the description box. I'm going to be blending the beans with onions, bell peppers, habanero, some ginger, and half a cup of water. If you're not adding ginger to your moimoi, what are you really doing? It adds like a ton of flavor. For the exact measurements, please check the description box below. This is the consistency that I want my moimoi batter to have. Feel free to add more water or less amount of water, to change it up. It's up to you, actually. Now it's time to season the batter. So I'm going to be adding Knorr, curry powder, thyme, salt, and 2 cooking spoonfuls of vegetable oil. So after that, we're going to mix well for a couple of minutes in order to incorporate air into the batter. So when we bake it, it's nice and has great texture. I'm going to be prepping the bell peppers by cutting them into half, de-seeding, and then removing as much of the membrane as I can. After that, it's time to assemble. So I'll be spraying the baking dish and peppers with cooking oil, then place them into the baking dish and add a bit of the moimoi batter. But you have to be careful not to overfill. Then I'll be garnishing it with corned beef, shrimps, and a slice of boiled egg. And because I had extra butter, I decided to make plain ones without any of the garnishes. And you see that in a moment. So you're going to cover this with foil and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 90 minutes. So the last 10 minutes of baking, you have to remove the foil so that the peppers can crisp up a bit. Here is the finished product. Baking the moimoi in the peppers added so much flavor to it. Doesn't it look amazing? Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Will you be trying this out? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share and also subscribe. Till next time, bye!